Hi and welcome to Calculator Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about how you can be able to use the calculator to find for the mean, standard deviation and variances using the table. So for us to do with that, we'll have to follow some steps. Now for that one, you press on the shift and press on the setup. Now for this menu, we want to on our tables. So we don't have tables here. Then we'll go back, then we'll press on the down button. After we'll come and press on the 4. We represent statistics. We'll press on 4. Then they ask us whether we want to on our frequency, and that is what we are here for. We want to on our frequency, so press on 1. So that means that our table is being activated. So for us to go to the next step on how you can be able to do that, we've already on our table, so it's allowed for us to go to the next step. So for us to press on the next step, we'll press on the mode or the setup. They will input statistics, which represent the 3. So we'll press on the 3, and after that we'll press on the 1. 1 minus capital V, capital A, capital R. Press on that one. Then our frequency table is on. So our x values are from 1 to 10. So 2, 3, and for you to do it, if you press any number, you have to press equal to for it to send it to the other one. So for our values on the frequency, you have 14. Press on the values and input into the calculator. 30. So we are done with that. So after we are done with that, we press on the on button. It means that we've not cancelled it. It's still on statistics. So you press on the shift, then you come here. See that on our 1, we can see something like stats on it. So press on this one. Now we have a lot of this one, the type, the data and all that, but we don't even want to find this one, the mean, the standard deviation and the variance. So for us to do that, we'll press on this 4. So you can only see that N stands for the number of the total number of the frequency. The 2 stand for the median, the X bar or summation of X stands for that one. And then the 3 stands for the standard deviation. The 4D, I don't know that one. So let's go. We want to find the mean. Press on 2. So press on our mean is 5.7. That is our mean. Now we press on 1 to find for the standard deviation. So press on, press on the shift, come to the 1, press on 4. Then for us to find the standard deviation, we have to press on the 3. That is, our standard deviation is 2.248 continuous with some numbers added. So that's how you. This is our example 2, and here we are going to use the group data for us to calculate the mean. So for if it is a group data, first of all we have to find the midpoint, and the midpoint is between the midpoint. How do you find the midpoint? You add the scores and divide it by 2. So 5 plus 9, then you divide it by 2. That's why we got 7 there. Now the other one too, we do like 2 examples. 10 plus 14 divided by 2, we'll get 12. That's how we have 12 here. Continue. So you find your midpoint. Now, after you find your midpoint will now be your x values. So now how do you do that? This one, the steps has already been shown. So we just wrap up on how we can be able to do this summary. So we'll press on the alpha setup, press on the down keys, shift plus the mode, press on the down keys, press on the 4 start on our frequency, press on the setup. So that we'll press on our 3, just statistics. We press on 1, then we input our frequency. We input our midpoint into the first one, which is the x. So we have 7, 17, 22, 27. Now we'll go to our 4, our frequency values. That's our values. After that, you press on the on button. Then you press on your shift button here. Come and press on your 1. Then we'll go to 4. Press on 4. As you find our mean, we press on 2. Press equal to. Our mean is 20.020. So our mean is 20. Now let's find the standard deviation. Shift plus the 1. Press on 4. Standard deviation is a 3. 6.59. So let's write that one down. 6.59. Now for you to find your variance, what you do is that you will just square this one. Square your answer. So our variance is 43.478, and that is how you can be able to solve for the mean, standard deviation, and variance using the calculator. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, you can go to my YouTube channel to watch more, and I will be uploading more on this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.